Welcome to Power Cubicle Guy. In today's show, we are going to do a lab and will create a bot. This is related to course Artificial Intelligence on Microsoft Learning Pathway. And we will create this bot with QnA service and also using the Azure bot service. So let's dig in and see how this can be done. But before that, a small intro. Alrighty, let's see the instructions here. Sign in with this password. Right, the instructions here are to get the latest files. Okay, let's click on this, get files. Then close the panel, start the Visual Studio Code. Then we have to open the file number 11, which is for QnA bot. Let's maximize this. So here you see a heading as conversational AI. Think about how often you communicate with other people through instant messaging, social media, email, or other online technologies. For many of us, it's our go-to form of contact. When you have a question at work, you might reach out to a colleague using a chat message, which you can use on mobile devices, so you are always in touch. Bots are artificial intelligence agents or AI agents that communicate using these kinds of channels, enabling a natural conversational engagement with software services. So basically, if you have seen websites which have this kind of chat service available on their main homepage, so that you can directly connect to an agent, or it can be a live agent, or it can be a artificial intelligence agent embedded on their websites to provide you the answers for your questions. So what we are going to develop today is a artificial intelligence bot which has a pre-built set of question and answers. We will upload a set of question and answer knowledge base. So based on that, QnA Maker will also generate its own set of question and answers. Basically, we will follow these steps provided here and we'll see how this can be done. So it shows open another browser tab and go to the QnA Maker portal at this web link. Sign in using the Microsoft associated account and select create a knowledge base. So let's first open this web link. Alright, now we will sign in and click on create a knowledge base. Step 1, let this table be selected here. Click on create a QnA service. Select the subscription, create a resource group if it doesn't exist. So I'll name it as rg_bot service demo. Right. I'll select a location, Australia Southeast. I'll name the QnA Maker name. I'll name it as QnA Maker demo. Pricing, let's select as free. Right. Your search location, again the same location as your service, and your search pricing tier as free F. Alright, this is the app name, and then the website location again as the same location which you selected earlier. App insights you can disable as of now. We don't require any app insights for this demo. Click on review plus create. Alright, looks like something is missing here. Alright, I believe this name is taken, so we can give another name. Alrighty, now I think it should work. Okay, it shows here validating and now provisioning. Deployment is in progress. Once this deployment is completed, we'll go back to the QnA maker and we'll refresh the connection. We'll refresh this connection to connect our QnA service to our knowledge pipe. Alright, it shows your deployment is complete. We'll go back here, we'll click on refresh. Alrighty, select the subscription, QnA maker demo, and select the language as English and name your KB, travel KB, and in this URL we have to paste a GitHub URL which is provided in the lab, so that the bot service is connected to this FAQ document. Add URL. So if we see what is present in this document, I have downloaded that document link. So here you see all sort of questions related to Margie's travel and how can I book a flight, what destinations do you offer. So all those questions and answers are present here. What are the office hours? Alright, a maker. And here for chit chat option you can select professional, and then finally you can click on create your KB. Wait for a minute or so while your knowledge base is created, and then we can review the question and answers that have been imported. Alright, see the same question and answer which we have seen in the document are now imported here, right? And also there are a few other questions here if you see, right? Now if we want to edit or add a question and answer pair, here is a plus icon here on the right hand side. We'll click that. So here you can add a question. For example, I type hello and alternative phrasing can be hi. Alright, so once this is done, click on save and train to train this QnA maker. And once this training has completed, we will click on test. So as the training is completed, we'll click on test here. And for example, as we have added hi in the previous question and answer, hello is returned. Alright, similarly, for example, if we type another question, I want to book a flight, an appropriate response from the FAQ should be returned. Alright, so as we are done testing, we will click again this test option and we will publish this. So click on publish. So as this service is now deployed, we will click on create bot which we will be creating now. We'll use this QnA maker knowledge base. Click on create bot. Alrighty, now we have to enter a unique name for our bot. Let's try my bot. Unique name. Okay, that's unique. Select the subscription, resource group, and location is selected. Pricing tier, let's see if it is F0, and app name, right? This should be same as the bot handle, which is automatically populated. Select the language, either C# or Node.js. I'll select Node.js, and every other field is auto populated. As you see, you can turn off the application insights, we don't need for our demo. Now click on create. It's validating. Deployment is in progress. Alrighty, as the deployment is complete, let's go to the resource and go to the settings pane and see here an option test in web chat. Click that. Wait until the bot displays the message hello and welcome. It may take a few seconds to initialize. Type a message hi, and you see a response as hello. Now try submitting a question like I need to cancel my hotel booking. Alright, so you got a response here instantly that you can cancel a flight or hotel anytime up to 24 hours before a check-in. So you see here it works fine. Now let's see how we can access this bot through a channel. Now go to the settings and click on channels. Note that the web chat channel has been automatically added, and the other channels for common communication platforms are available, right? Where you see Teams and Alexa, email, Facebook, and so many other channels, right? So now here if you go to the edit, so this page shows the settings we might need to embed our bot in a web page. So to embed your bot, you need this HTML embed code provided, as well as one of the secret keys. So you see here 2 secret keys are present. If I show here, so you can see the secret key, right? So what we can do is we can copy this embed code, and you see here a text written, your secret goes here. So we have to paste this secret key here. So as we have copied this code, let's go to the lab and paste the code here. We will paste our key here. So here it is being told like the minimum height we should make it to 200 so that the interface is visible without scrolling, right? Now once this is done, there is a run icon present in this cell. We will click that, and we see the HTML chat interface. We can test the bot again here by submitting a question, by first starting with hi, and we can ask a question, who is Maggie? So we got the response from the service. It's a travel agent and experience in the worldwide tourism industry. So guys, we can see like we can experiment with the bot with several other questions, and we will probably find that it can answer the questions from the FAQ quite accurately, but it will have limited ability to interpret questions that it has not been trained with. So you can always use the QnA maker portal to edit the knowledge base to improve it and republish it. So guys, hope this lab video will help you to create a bot with QnA service and Azure bot service. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to Power Cubicle Guy. Thank you guys, and see ya.